Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you and also tell you how you can easily restore a deleted account in the Telegram app. Please friends, subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put likes under the video and write your comments after watching. So let's get started. And first I will tell you that your Telegram account is finally deleted 30 days after you have logged out or deactivated it. So when you choose to delete your Telegram account, it becomes inactive for exactly 30 days. After these 30 days, your Telegram account is automatically deleted forever. So you have two options. Either you can log in to Telegram before the end of these 30 days to log into your account, which has not yet been deleted but is still inactive. Or you can simply create a new Telegram account with the same number you had. For the first and second option, you'll just need to open the Telegram app, and you'll have the same page that I have now. Next, you'll need to click here on Start. Next, select your country, or if you have it set to default, enter your phone number. Once you've selected your country, enter your phone number. Click Continue. Confirm it's your number. Verify it. And now, friends, you will probably need to keep a password or a code that will come to you on Telegram. I didn't get this code because I just recently deleted my Telegram account. But if you deleted your Telegram account a few days ago or a few weeks ago, or if you haven't used Telegram for a very long time, then you'll need to enter the 6-digit code that you'll receive. This is how you can easily restore your deleted account in Telegram application. I really hope this video was helpful and useful for you. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments under the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.